What's up everyone, and welcome back to another 5-pack video. Today we have the awesome Hot Wheels Horsepower 5-pack. So yes, this was one I got up in Norfolk, and I've been looking around for it for quite a while. I finally managed to find it, and of course here it is, got the little Horsepower logo down there. Back of the car we've got the Charger looking really awesome on like a dyno setup there. Really cool. And yeah, I think we'll waste no time in cracking it open. Well, I'm not even going to bother cutting the top open. Yeah, I don't have space to keep all the boxes for these or keep them boxed, so, well, that means I open them up. It would be nice to keep them all boxed, to be fair, because the boxes are quite nice. Bit of a spoiler, 2 more packs to come up very soon. Yeah, it's quite nice having them stored like that, but we want to see the cars up and close, don't we? Right, so there are the cars. Let's start things off with the Corvette ZR1. This looks pretty cool. I do like the blue on this. Very vibrant blue. That's pretty nice. Stripes on the side. Massive front splitter on the front. That's really cool. Little Corvette logo. Light tampos. Very nice. Got the plastic hood bulge there, which is really cool. That looks nice. Also goes into the screen there, which is a light blue colour. Works well on the car. Very nice. Split 5 spokes, chromed out. A touch of interior in there. Not a whole lot, but a touch. A little bit of interior. Rear spoiler on that, which is part of the diecast. Very nice. And the details on the back are pretty good too, actually. Yeah, no light details on the back, or tampos anyway. But the details do stand out really nice. So yeah, pretty good. That is a really nice one, actually. Car number 2 in the pack is the Roger Dodger 2.0. This definitely fits in this horsepower pack with the 2 massive engines out the front. I feel like this is going to be the new car that fills in for the Roger Dodger, which is a shame because the Roger Dodger is arguably the better casting. This is pretty cool. Got 2.0, Hot Wheels 2.0 written on the side. Nice yellow stripes, steely type wheels. Sort of a gunmetal kind of grey, I suppose, but it's sort of a shiny finish to it. On the front we've got a nice cutout for the lights. In fact, I think this even got a little bit of chrome in there for the lights, and then yellow for the grille. It's very hard to see in there, but it does look pretty good. Yellow front splitter. These engines need more explanation. I don't know if they're like air filters on the top there, or some weird kind of turbine thing. I don't actually know. It has got a chrome filler cap though. That's pretty cool. I imagine it's going to need a lot of refilling quite often on a car like this. And on the back, nice rear splitter in the yellow, and the rear lights are fully lensed. Look at that. That's cool. And on the back is a split ducktail spoiler. So that's pretty awesome, actually, that one. That is a nice coloration of the Roger Dodge 2.0, actually. That's quite nice. Right, so number 3 is a truck, a Ford Raptor. 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. Pretty cool. Fully treaded wheels. Can't say I've seen these wheels before, actually. Are these new wheels? I'm not sure. They do look pretty awesome. Nice sort of sunburn orange. Got some like mud or splatter design up the side there, which looks nice. On the front we got the Ford logo and all the plastic trimmings, which are pretty cool. Hood vent as well. No light details on this one as I can see, but yeah, pretty good. Got Ford written in the back as well, some little exhausts. Pretty good on the detail end on this one. Shame it's missing some light tampos. That would be a very nice touch, but it has got quite a few, decals on the side and stuff. I don't think I showed the bases for either of these. Why has this got like a battery? I've never looked at the base of one of these. It's got like a battery design. Is it meant to be a hybrid? Are they actually meant to be turbines or something? It's not really Hot Wheels horsepower if it's battery powered, is it? Or is it? I suppose it's still horsepower in a sense, isn't it? I mean, let's face it, an engine isn't really horsepower because it's not a horse. There's the base on that one. I'll try and remember to do it for the rest of these. Right, here we have the car on the side of the pack. A very awesome Dodge Charger. Very nice glittery purple. Wow, look at that. With the flames going down the side. Mopar logo, RT logo. There you got the engine sticking out of the bonnet there. Really, really cool with a little bug catcher kind of scoop. Really cool. Chromed out back end, chromed out front grille. Very, very nice. This one has a grey base. 70 Dodge Charger. Try and get it so you can read the text. It's pretty cool. That's very nice. Chrome interior and all that. Very nice car to have. And finally we have the Nitro Door Slammer. This is very cool. It says the name along the side of the car. Very nice sort of red colour scheme on this one. Big like sort of scoop on the front there in chrome with the lights in it. Really, really cool. We've got this kind of engine bay. I guess it's like 2 turbos coming out. 2 turbos and going into a weird scoop perhaps. I'm not quite sure what that's meant to be really. It looks like it has a central seating position with the steering wheel in the middle there. And then on the back there we get the awesome wheelie bar, which is yeah, I wondered if I thought these might have had one that retracted, but maybe not. Another thing that was odd, I just want to have a look at this. This is also a Nitro Door Slammer from the Glow Wheels pack with the monster trucks in that I got recently. It's got the wheelie bar retracted, and there's like a space here for it. So they've obviously designed 2 different variations of the base of this car. One to have the wheelie bar out and one to have it not out. I need to do some research and see, was there a Nitro Door Slammer that had the facility to click the wheelie bar out? Because I know Hot Wheels used to do that with some cars with wheelie bars. You could actually open them out. And this almost has like a little tab, as if it was meant to click into that tab at some point. Have they cheaped out and made the quality worse? I'm going to say yes, because that's just what they do. I mean, there's always the chance I actually have one of these in my collection that does it. I need to have a look. But yeah, if anyone knows, be sure to let me know in the comments. But with that being said, I think it is time to end. Actually, I'll do a quick sort of my favourite cars, I think. Yeah, I think it's going to be like that. Oh, it'd help if the camera was looking at them, wouldn't it? But yeah, I think the only reason these are down here is because they're fancy cars. Don't get me wrong, it's a really cool pack. But yeah, this is definitely most favourite, least favourite. Yeah. But yeah, be sure to let me know which is your favourite down below. Have you found this pack? Are you trying to find it? And of course, yeah, good luck in all your peg hunts, and I hope to see you in the next video.